Hello traders, welcome to a video by Alpha over Beta. Today I would like to speak to you in a short video about managing your risk and controlling the loss in each and every trade that you make. So we have an app designed especially for that. You go to Alpha over Beta webpage, that's alphaoverbeta.net, and from the services menu you select the risk calculator, and the risk calculator can tell you exactly how much risk you're going to incur in each and every order that you issue to the market. So how does it work? Well, let's take an example. This is today's market, and let's say that I would like to enter the market today, but I would like to protect myself and place a stop loss at around, let's say, 320. All right. So the entry would be today in today's market prices, and the exit would be at around 320. So how do you put all that info into the risk calculator, and what is the outcome? So you head on to the risk calculator of Alpha over Beta, and that's an app that will calculate the size of each and every order in order to maintain pre-calculated risk. So how do you use it? The first field you have to enter is the current price of the market. The current price of the market, let's say that we're going to trade SPY, which is an ETF tracking the S&P 500. So the current price of the SPY is, as you can see here, 328. So 328 is the current price. Say we would like to enter the market at the current prices, which is 328. So we input another field, which is 328. You know what? Let's say that I'm going to enter the market at 330. Okay, so 330 here. That's about 0.61% from the current price of 328. Now the next field would be a profit and loss ratio. This means that we're going to calculate how much am I willing to lose in respect to how much am I going to win. So the profit to loss ratio is between, let's say, 1.5 and 3. Let's put the number 2 in there. Okay. The next field we're going to enter is the maximum absolute loss. Now this is very important. It means that we're going to calculate that we're going to set in this order how much in dollar term we are going to lose. What's the maximum loss for this order? So let's say that the maximum loss for this order would be $100. So we enter here 100. That's $100 loss, maximum loss for this order. And the next very important element of the calculation would be, where do we place the stop loss? So as you saw, we are going to place the stop loss at at exactly 320. So we're going to place the stop loss at 320. Okay. So the stop loss distance from the current price is about 3%. We're going to stop or exit the position at a loss of $100. Of course, that's the $100 that we were asking for in here. And the take profit would be when the price of the market would reach 350. The take profit would be 6% from where we enter the market, and the profit would be $200. Now here comes the most important outcome of this calculation, and that's the size of the order. How many units am I going to buy? In my case, SPY. And because of all the fields that we entered here, the calculator says that the output, the size in units, in this case it's ETFs, is 10. So when I issue the order to the broker, I'm going to ask for 10 SPY. And the amount invested in dollar term would be $300. Okay, so that's the app we have on Alpha over Beta to calculate what's the requested size and what's the amount invested for each and every order. And this way you manage your risk. Trade safely. Goodbye.